Good morning, Racks. Today is Friday, April 3rd, which makes today National Find a Rainbow Day. Here's what we got. Reminders that next week we are back in session, at least partly. It's supposed to be a break. It's not. Probably a good reason for you to stay indoors and stay away from other people, because this is the point of the year and the point of the coronavirus where it's really going to become the most problematic for us if we have it or if we give it to somebody else. If you give it to somebody else and they give it to somebody else, that could spread to 100 or 1,000 people in the county, something we do not need. So make sure you're keeping yourself isolated, whether you have it or not. Marking period is ending next week, so good chance to catch up. And Mr. Martino wanted me to remind you that his Stories to Fall Asleep To series will be dropping a new album today. Featuring the most dangerous game. So look out for Martina's new Stories to Fall Asleep To. Birthdays for the weekend. Today, happy birthday to Eliza. Happy birthday to Eliza. Happy birthday tomorrow to Jaden McInnes. That's about all I've got for today. Hopefully you have a good weekend, and we'll see you again next week, Rex.